Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. In this series, we are taking joy in drawing simple objects that we see in our everyday lives. Let's see what we can find interesting to draw today. I just got these veggies from a local farmer's market. Get the color, texture. I'm going to quickly grab my sketch pad, some colors and some pens, and I'm going to start drawing. Let's start with a simple vegetable. This is a cucumber. These look quite interesting. Here I'm directly using a pen. You can always use a pencil first to sketch. There you go. Now this eggplant. Now this one was easier to draw because it was quite plain, but this one is a bitter gourd. Look at the texture. Outline with the pencil. Now in this case, we have to think about all these textures. Use a pen now and try to see the outward profile of this. So it's not a straight line here. It has these small projections, and maybe you can just continue adding these lines. See how fast you could sketch all these veggies. So let's try to color this cucumber with color pencils. I'm just blending different shades of green here. Some yellow. So here you have the cucumber. Also use color pencils to color this capsicum. It's a quick sketch. Now let's use some colors to paint rest of the vegetables. Adding some yellow. Eggplant. So mix some blue and red to get the color. So this is how you can draw simple veggies. This is the onion. I'm just going to try and draw this one. Not using any pencil here. So this again very loose lines here, the basic shape here. Now let's try to see if you can draw it from this side, maybe the center, and then you have lines. Now I'm going to quickly cut this onion and see how it looks from inside. Directly drawing with the pen. Beautiful patterns, and you see this onion peel here. If you look at some details, it just goes on. Now let's use some watercolors. So I'm just going to first add a little bit of water. Make sure that you use waterproof inks when you do this. Now the color, if you look at this, it's a mixture of pink and a blue to get the purple. Color looks okay to me, so I'm going to first just simply add this and let the colors blend just to add some depth. I'm just going to start adding some more blue color at the edge here. So I'm just going to paint this. Again, use the blue and the red to this beautiful purple color. Now for the inside of the onion, it looks almost white. For this, I'm just adding very light shade. Now once this is dry, just some details, and here I'm just adding some basic lines. So something like this. I'm just adding a few more layers here. Okay, this is a ginger root, and this is turmeric root. Look how interesting this looks. Again, I'm not using any pencil, just with the pen. I'm just going to quickly sketch. So this is the basic shape, and as you can see, I've just simply used lines, and now some detailing here. So I see that there's some lines here. So this is the ginger root. Now let's look at the turmeric root. It's just fun to draw these lines. Just let go. Nothing wrong or right. You can make changes as you want. This looks different than this. It's okay. This is not about perfection. This is just trying to understand the overall shape and the texture. Now I have some lemons. So let's draw this lemon. Observe each vegetable. Like this one has a nice band. Look at the texture here. So these are the lemons. Let's color the ginger, turmeric and the lemons. For the ginger, I'm just making this color yellow, brown, the turmeric root also is similar shade. First adding some water so that the paint blends properly. Beautiful yellow orange color. Now the lemons. To mix a couple of colors here, maybe a lemon yellow, tinge of blue maybe. I'm just adding some quick shadows here. After this is dried completely, if you want, you can also add some shading just to add some more details in depth. You can use either a color pencil or you can also use watercolors. I'm adding some texture here. Okay, now I'm going to draw this carrot. So this is the basic shape of the carrot. Now if I look into details, I see again some lines. Look at this potato, simple one, and then again some detail in here. Now chili, few more smaller chilies. Tomato, let's use some watercolors to paint these. Now the potato, mixing the colors for potato, orange, yellow, brown. So look at these cute little veggies. You can actually create fridge magnets, or you can create bookmarks. Lot of possibilities. Now that you know how to draw the veggies, you can also create a nice recipe book. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Anu Loves Art. Until next time, bye bye.